y'all are gonna have to trust that, hey, chill out, that I've already been working with them. This is real dangerous. But hey, come on, Bama. I've corrected him a couple times just for being too rough. Well, but with it's like with Stomper, he's knocked her over a couple times doing this. Hey, no, relax. But she is a female, so it makes it a lot easier. Even so, it was dangerous in the beginning. It's the way it is. You've got to be on your toes, and you got to know exactly what you're dealing with, what kind of dog you're dealing with. Now, they want to play right now. I have to just, watch that he doesn't get too excited. There he went running way over there, which is not typical for him. Oh, he just about ran her over. Come here, Bama. Come on. Come here. Sit. Sit. Can use them to train each other too, see? All right, come on. Now, Bama is responsive to me and the shock collar. Stomper, I wouldn't allow this right now, only because he's not so responsive to the collar. Right now, he's just really super pumped and excited. You see, Bama is one of them dogs that stays right with me all the time. Come here. Look at her. Now, he didn't knock her over. She got scared and rolled over. Just a little bit of this though. Don't want any accidental injury. Come here. Good dog. Come on. Let's get in the house. We got a severe storm coming. A puppy can get false confidence too, sometimes. They can get false confidence in an adult dog and start getting too wild with them. All this, like, you haven't seen all of it. It comes in stages. I know whenever I record this stuff, it seems like, oh, there's no problem, but it's because I handle the problem. They're waiting at the door. It's because of all the rain, but I handle it before it becomes a problem, you know what I mean? And that part I don't film because it's difficult to film when you're dealing with dogs sometimes. Y'all ready? Let's get in the house.